The green anaconda, also known as a giant anaconda, is a boa species found in Southern America. It is the heaviest and one of the world's longest snake species. These massive snakes can grow up to be 17 feet long. We have all seen horror movies about anacondas where things usually go wrong. But I became fascinated with these rather large creatures and needed to see one in person for myself. My quest to find an anaconda has taken me to Madre de Dios, a portion of the Amazon rainforest in the south of Peru. But to see an anaconda, I will have to travel much deeper into the jungle to ultimately reach the Tambopata National Reserve. Here, there is much more than anacondas lurking. I am about to be in the midst of jaguars, caiman alligators, and venomous pit viper snakes.
Welcome to Max Takes on the World, and today I'm in the jungle in search for some anacondas. I'm here with our guide Augusto, and I'm also with Eugene and Gilad. We're going to be spending the next couple of days in the jungle.
From here, we have to walk 2 miles to reach another boat that will take us deeper into the jungle. I notice a man carrying a machete, and our guide informs us of a very dangerous snake we may encounter called the Bushmaster. It's a venomous pit viper that's venom can kill you in 1 to 2 hours if left untreated.
The anacondas, another is for the herons, this is for the habitat.
Good shot of seeing anacondas now here in this water. It looks real murky. We made it to the Eco Lodge. This is pretty much going to be our home base for the next couple of days here in the jungle. Took us a couple walks, couple boat rides to get here. And these hammocks, oh, it feels so good after the journey. But our guide informed us that we need to clean these off before we get in because there's scorpions, all types of insects that could be in here. So you always have to clean it off out here in the jungle. Wow, I'm really out here deep in the jungle. There's no service, no Wi-Fi. The electricity is only from 6 to 9. So we'll have some time to kill before our next tour. We're gonna go out on the boat at night and hopefully see some caimans and an anaconda. Walking through the jungle, and we see all these monkeys just come out of nowhere. It must be about like 20 of them, and they're all really super fast, jumping from tree to tree. A fresh jungle lemon. It's sour. Oh wait, I hear something over here in the bushes. It's the subscribe button. If you haven't, make sure you hit it. The jungle comes alive at night. We're really about to get into it now. We got our machete here just in case we see a bushmaster walk up on us or slither. This is a perfect spot for an anaconda to hide over there under those trees right by the bank. Watching the sunset in the jungle is absolutely gorgeous. The sun is starting to set and you could just hear the jungle coming alive, all the different noises and animals.
As the night started to settle in, we used flashlights to see the reflection of the animal's eyes on the riverbank. If we see yellow or golden eyes, we know it's a caiman, but if we see blue eyes, it's an anaconda. Watching these caiman reminded me of the time I went to the Everglades at night and fed the alligators marshmallows.
click the link up above to see that video.
In the pantries, sometimes it's also the scorpions.
Oh.
You see?
Oh, scorpion.
Black scorpion. You see?
Yeah, tarantula.
We woke up very early to catch the sunrise and prepare for a full day of exploring the jungle.
We had from here the anaconda the meter is 7 meter, 8 meter.
This is the average.
It's big. It's big.
Wow.
It depends on the lackings on the sea, the anaconda. The more probably is on the seas in the night. So in here is this area, the pantries, is the habitats of the anacondas.
This is the place where they live usually. Stay.
Anacondas are lurking somewhere in here.
Look, in the movie, the branch.
Oh, this is a caiman right here. The baby caiman hiding right here in the brush.
We have a better chance of seeing an anaconda at night, so we dock the boat and enter into the jungle to see what other creatures are lurking.
Augusto stops to show us a rubber tree, which he swings his machete at, and rubber starts to ooze out.
You know, look now is liberation rubber.
Rubber.
For example, this is the house. This is the house to the termites.
Termites.
No, look.
Oh my goodness.
For example, here. You see? I need to come in more termites. This.
Snack time here. We're all gonna try some termites in the jungle. How does it taste?
To be honest, no taste.
No taste?
Nope.
You need more, no taste.
This is not lunch. You know that.
Look the matching.
I feel it, I think I feel it.
You feel it?
But
Yeah.
it's not mensch.
Alright, bon appetit. Like a mint. Just like a mint.
Yeah.
Like a mint. Something's back over here. We see something moving in the bushes over here. I hope it's a jaguar, but who knows what it is. What do you think it is, Augusto?
I don't know. So only from the see the movie to the leaf.
Yeah.
So fast going. I need to walk in silence.
Stealthy.
For example, from here in the pantry, sometimes to see the big caterpillars. The name is a suri.
Like the ones we saw on the bench earlier?
The small one caterpillar, the color is a white. It's a good fish for the plants.
Oh.
It's good medicine.
Oh, you eat the caterpillar?
Now it's looking. No there. I think so. For example, this one like a similar to this one. For example, this one similar. This one is caterpillar. This is good for the fishing.
Oh, for fishing.
Yeah, for the good, no, now it's...
Do people eat it?
This one, no. No, eat it people.
Oh, I'm not eating the caterpillar, don't worry. Oh. Alright, here it goes. Caterpillar. Mmm. Tastes different. I don't know how to describe it. Not bad. I'm here with Elmer.
Yeah,
He's been our chef. He's been making amazing food for us, and we're gonna hit the lake and do some fishing.
yeah.
What kind of fish do they have in here?
There's the piranhas, the fishing cat. Depending is possible the handling in the fish, no?
Okay. Yeah, there's piranhas in there.
Or the dinner.
Oh, we're catching the fish for dinner. Oh, we're gonna eat this fish later. Feels manly. We just found our fishing spot here, parked up against this tree in the shade. Just gonna drop the lines down and catch some dinner. Let's see what I get. Whoa, look what I got.
Yeah. There's a piranha, eh?
That's a piranha?
Yeah.
Wow. Caught my first piranha ever here in the Amazon. It's gonna be dinner. Wow, look at those teeth on the piranha. Jesus, I see why they're dangerous now. Wow. And I was gonna put my finger in there.
Yeah.
That would've been bad. Fish number 3.
Piranha.
Our boy over here just pulled up with some rum. Salute.
To discover an anaconda today, so be ready.
Tonight is my last night in the Amazon and the best shot I have at finding an anaconda. Augusto spots what he thinks is an anaconda. But after a double look, it is not. The sky turns gray as a nearby forest fire smothers the air. We spend the night searching the banks in hopes for an anaconda, but to our dismay, we did not find one. We came back to enjoy the piranhas caught earlier after a disappointing night.
It's been a long journey, man, these last couple days in the jungle. It's been fun, exciting. We tried insects, went out in the jungle at night. There was nothing like looking at stars in the Amazon rainforest in the middle of the boat at nighttime. But we did not find any anacondas. In fact, I didn't even see one snake. So I'm not satisfied yet. So make sure to be on the lookout for Looking for Anacondas in the Jungle Part 2, because I have to find an anaconda, guys. Until next time, fight on.